Hello and welcome to my new technical tricks. In this video you will learn how to make YouTube channel and earn money. YouTube is an excellent way to get noticed on the internet, and some cases you can use even to earn money. To use YouTube channel you need to sign up for an account first. YouTube is now connected to a Google account, so if you already have an account with GoGo, get up an account takes less time. If not, now you have to sign up for Google account first. If you already have a Google account, then follow me. So now you have to click on sign. Once you have click on sign up, then now you have to type your email and password. In the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon and click on Creator Studio. Under your setting you will see the option to create a channel, so click the link. And we need to create a channel. So next you will have the option to create a personal channel, or create a channel using a business or other name. So you can also change the name of your Google account, so it is using for YouTube channel, so you can change already. So if you want this name, so leave it as default and click on create channel, and now the channel has been created. Once the channel has been created, now it's time to verify your channel. To verify your channel, you can see first we are gonna say the channels. Our channel has been created successfully, and now we are going to verify the channel. To verify, click on channel, and now you can see the verify button. Click on verify. Here you can select your country and click on text me. Here you the YouTube will send you the code. Here you have to type your number to receive the code. Click on submit. Now I received the code on my mobile phone. This is the code I have entered, and yes, click on submit. Congratulations, you have just created a YouTube channel. So how to upload video on YouTube? Click on the download icon, the top right hand corner. As you can see, here written upload. So once you click there, as you can see this option, select file to upload. Click on download icon. As you can see, this is my desktop. I want to find my video to upload. So you can upload any video, no need to click on your video. Click open. As you can see, it's uploading. Okay, once you have finished the description, as you can see, there is written tags. Tags is also very important. So if you have written a very good tags, and the tag will bring you a lot of views to your video. So make sure to write the right tags. It means the good tag and the best tag that every person want to search about. And as you can say, the Google AdWords will give you the very suggested words and the suggested keywords to help you, and also to bring a very good view for your video. I'm writing the tags. You can write about 1 to 15 keywords. Once the tag is finished, then you can share public, unless private and public. You have to select the public, and now here you can change the thumbnails of your video. If you like your own video thumbnails, so it's right. But if you like to create or bring a new thumbnail, you can also create. So if you click on create custom thumbnail, you will find your own thumbnails. So everything is done. Here you can see the list. You can create a list for your video. Yes, everything is you can share on Twitter as well. So now our job is to share the video. Click on publish. Once you click on publish, your video will be will publish to the YouTube. After 12 hours, maybe after 1 day, your video will be saved on the draft of YouTube. And as you can see, I have shared my video on the YouTube channels. This is my account name and also description. You can also, if you want to edit as well, there is written edit video. This is my video. You can customize channel. So it's time to change the channel art. Include the channel pictures. Add a picture or your profile. So here you can upload photos from the desktop. Click on upload, and you can either find any photos on your profile. So for example, I will select this one, and the channel arts also important. So I will find and upload the channel arts picture. No matter, you can find any you can find any photos on your channels. So I like this. For example, I like this channels, and also click OK. Yes. So once refresh your channel, here you are. The profile is changing. So your channel also will be changed after 1 okay, maybe 2 minutes or 5 minutes. This is my videos, playlist, and channel description about. Okay, everything is done. Nothing is here that I should tell you. Okay, in the next video I will make the complete video of it means the complete tutorial of the YouTube. It means how we can upload the right video and the right tags and titles, and also I will show you the how we can monetize the video and how we can earn the money.